Good morning, student. Let us today start with another chapter. That is the chapter number 2 of organic chemistry. And the chapter is alcohol, phenols and ethers. Alcohols are hydroxy derivative of alkenes. Phenols are hydroxy derivative of arenes. That is a nuclear substituted derivatives of arenes. And ether, as we all know, the compounds containing ether linkages or OR group. Now let us first of all start with alcohols. Alcohols, these are hydroxy derivative of alkane. What does it mean? If from alkane this hydrogen atom is removed and is substituted by OH group, it will become alcohol. How do we represent alcohol? These are represented as ROH. So what are alcohols? These are hydroxy derivative of hydrocarbons. How are they obtained? By the removal of hydrogen atom from hydrocarbon, that is alkanes, and by addition of OH group. Now, what type of alcohols are we supposed to study in this chapter? So we are going to study the classification of alcohols. And the first classification is on the basis of number of OH group. Remember haloalkanes? We studied monohalogen derivative, dihalogen derivative, trihalogen and polyhalogen derivative. That was on the basis of number of halogen atoms. Now, classification of alcohol on the basis of number of hydroxyl group. On the basis of number of hydroxyl group, alcohols can be classified as monohydric alcohol. Mono means one. So, alcohol which are containing only one OH group, these are monohydric alcohol. As for example, the CO over here, CH3, CH2OH. How many OH group it is containing? One. So this is an example of monohydric alcohol. Again in this chapter we have to do the classification, nomenclature, isomerism, preparation, properties and uses. If you go for the naming of this one, what will be the name? How many carbon? 1, 2. For 2 carbon atom, what is the root word? Eth. Single bonded ane. And what is the secondary suffix of OH group? Ol. So name of this group will be given as ethanol. Now as far as monohydric alcohols are considered, their common name will be given as alkyl alcohol. What will be the common name? Alkyl alcohol. Here, what is the alkyl group? This is ethyl group. And for OH group, you will be writing alcohol. So, what will be the common name of this one? It will be given as ethyl alcohol. So, based on the number of OH group, alcohols can be classified as monohydric alcohol. What are monohydric alcohol? Alcohol which contains only one OH group. IUPAC name of CH3CH2OH will be ethanol. And what will be the common name? It will be alkyl alcohol, which can also be called as, this can be called as ethyl alcohol. Now, dihydric alcohol. All those alcohols which contain two OH groups are called as dihydric alcohols. As for example, the series one, CH2OH, CH2OH. So, it is containing two OH group. So, these are dihydric alcohols. Now, if you go for IUPAC name of this, let us number this one, 1, 2. For 2 carbon atom, what is the root word? Eth. Between the carbon and carbon atom, what type of bond is present? Single. So, this will be ethane. And at number 1 position, what is present? OH. Number 2 position, what is present? OH. What is the secondary suffix for OH? Ol. How many times it is present? Twice. So, it will be ethane 1,2-diol. Recollect the rules of IUPAC system. The secondary suffix begins with a multiplying affix. Di over here. So this E is not to be deleted from here. So what is the name of this compound? It will be given as ethane 1,2-diol, IUPAC name. All those compounds in which two OH groups are present on adjacent carbon atoms, they are called as a glycol. And since this glycol is obtained from this ethylene group, so common name of this will be given as ethylene glycol. So give an example of a dihydric alcohol, ethylene glycol. or ethane 1,2-diol. Monohydric alcohols were those alcohols which were containing only one OH group. Now, trihydric alcohol. All those alcohols which contain 3 OH group, these are known as a trihydric alcohol. As for example, just see this one, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. How many OH group are present over here? 3. So this will be called as a trihydric alcohol. If I give an IUPAC name to this one, number for by selecting the longest continuous chain 1, 2, 3. For 3 carbon atom, what will be the root word? Prop. Now in between these carbon atom, single bonds are present. So this will be ane. And at number 1, 2, 3, 3 OH group are present. So secondary suffix will be ol. How many times it is present? Thrice. So it will be triol. Since the secondary suffix begins with the word T or the multiplying affix, E shall not be deleted. So what should be the IUPAC name? Propane 1, 2, 3 triol. This propane 1, 2, 3 triol in a common name system, it is known as a glycerol molecule over here. So what do we call it as? It is called as glycerol. So we have done with you monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol and trihydric alcohol. Now polyhydric alcohols are those alcohols which contain more than 3 OH groups or many OH groups are present. Just for example, this one, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So butane 1, 2, 3, 4 tetraol. So if we classify the alcohols on the basis of number of OH group, they can be classified as monohydric alcohol, they can be classified as dihydric alcohol, they can be classified as trihydric alcohol. Give an example of trihydric alcohol, glycerol. Give an example of dihydric alcohol, ethylene glycol. Now, this was classification done on the basis of number of OH group. Another way of classification of monohydroxy alcohol. So now, first of all, we will be discussing with you monohydric alcohol. And if we classify monohydric alcohol, they can be classified on the basis of hybridization of a carbon atom on which this OH group is attached. So on the basis of COH bond hybridization. And on that basis, they can be classified into those compounds in which carbon atom to which OH group is attached is sp3 hybridized, or the carbon atom to which OH group is attached is sp2 hybridized. Similar to that we did in haloalkenes. So they can be classified if carbon to which OH group is sp3 hybridized or carbon to which OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized. Now carbon to which OH group is attached, if it is sp3 hybridized, it can be either 1 degree alcohol, it can be 2 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol means primary alcohol, or it can be 2 degree alcohol means secondary alcohol. It can be 3 degree alcohol. This can be allylic as well as a benzylic alcohol. And carbon OH bond in which carbon is sp2 hybridized, they will be classified as vinylic alcohols over here. So we are studying now monohydric alcohol. So what are alcohols? Hydroxy derivative of hydrocarbon. On the basis of number of OH group, they are classified as monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric alcohol. How do we classify monohydric alcohol? On the basis of hybridization of carbon atom on which OH group is attached. They can either be sp3 or they can be sp2. Now, first of all, we will discuss with you the type of monohydric alcohol when carbon to which OH group is attached is sp3 hybridized carbon atom over here. So, over here, we will discuss this classification COH bond when carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. So, when the carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, what can be the various types of monohydric alcohol? I told you this can be classified as 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol means OH group will be attached to 1 degree carbon atom. As for example, if you take this one CH3 and then CH2 and then over here you see over here this will be CH2 and this over here will be OH. Here OH group is attached to the carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized, and since this carbon atom is bonded to only one other carbon atom, So this will be 1 degree alcohol. So alcohols can be 1 degree alcohol. Similarly, if we classify them on the basis of hybridization, they can be classified as 2 degree alcohol. It means here in this case, OH group will be attached to that carbon atom which is bonded to 2 other carbon atoms. It means it will be secondary in nature. As for example, if we consider this one, CH3, then CH, and then over here is OH, and then this group is CH3. Just see the nature of this group, nature of this carbon atom, it is 2 degree. What type of hybridization? It is bonded to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So sp3. So this will be 2 degree alcohol. If you give for the IUPAC name of this compound, it will be 1, 2 and 3. The IUPAC name of the compound will be propane, and this will be 2-ol. Or common name will be, which is this group, iso group over here. So this will be iso, propyl and alcohol. So it will be classified as 2 degree alcohol. So monohydric alcohol, when carbon is sp3 hybridized, it will either be 1 degree alcohol or it will be 2 degree alcohol over here. Similarly over here, these alcohol can be a 3 degree alcohol. It means here in this case, this OH group will be attached to that carbon atom in which is 3 degree in nature. As for example, we consider this one, CH3, C, and then CH3, and then CH3, and this group over here will be OH. Just see the nature of the carbon atom to which the OH group is attached. This is 3 degree carbon bond over here. So what is the nature over here? 3 degree. So this alcohol over here will be a 3 degree alcohol. What will be the IUPAC name of this one? It will be 1, 2 and 3. So name of the compound will be 2-methyl. This is at number 2 what is present? 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol will be a name which will be given to this compound. Otherwise, what is this group? It is tertiary in nature. So common name of this group will be given as, it will be tertiary and butyl alcohol. So if we classify alcohol on the basis of hybridization of a carbon atom to which OH group is attached, they can be classified as 1 degree alcohol, it can be classified as 2 degree alcohol, or it can be classified as a 3 degree alcohols. Apart from that, they can be classified as allyl alcohol, and they can be classified as a benzylic alcohol over here. How do we classify them as allyl alcohol? Now, if we talk about allyl alcohol, how do we account for the allyl alcohol? Allyl group, which is the allyl group? This is CH2, double bond CH, and then CH2 dash. This group over here is a allyl group. I think you must be remembering this, as this was done in haloalkanes and haloarenes also. Just see of this one over here. This is allyl alcohol. Now it can be 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. It can also be 1 degree, it can be 2 degree or it can be 3 degree. How? Allyl position is this position. Just see this one, CH2, double bond CH, and then CH2OH. This is allyl alcohol. Why? Because this group is allyl group. And here OH group is attached on the primary carbon atom. So this is 1 degree allyl alcohol. If I give the IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. We all know OH group is more senior as compared to double bond. So what will be the IUPAC name of this compound? This will be prop 2-ene 1-ol. Since the secondary suffix begins with the word O, so I have deleted the word E from here. Or we may call it as allyl alcohol. This can be called as allyl alcohol. Now this can be 2 degree also. How? If I make the structure in this manner, CH2, double bond CH, and then C, this will be H, this will be CH3, and then OH. This is allylic carbon. On allylic carbon, the OH group is attached, so definitely this is allylic alcohol. But what is the nature of this carbon? This carbon and this carbon, so it will be 2 degree alcohol. So if I give the IUPAC name of this one, it will be 1, 2 and 3. For 3 carbon atoms, what will be the root word? Prop, then 2, then in, and then 1 ol. At number 1, this will be this way, 1 and 2. This will be 3 and this will be 4. So what will be the IUPAC name of this one? This will be but, and then 2 in, 1 ol. But 2 in, 1 ol will be the name of this compound. Otherwise it is 2 degree allylic alcohol. If we classify them as 3 degree allylic alcohol, how will we classify them? CH3, C, H, then double bond. If we classify them as 3 degree allylic alcohol, so this will be CH2, double bond CH, and then C. This will be OH. This will be CH3 and then CH3. What is the nature of this carbon atom? It will be 3 degree. It is bonded to 4 other atoms of the group. So what will be the type of hybridization? It will be sp3 hybridization. Here again, the hybridization was sp3 type of a hybridization. Now, this again, OH group is attached on the allylic carbon atom. So this will be allylic alcohol. If I give the name to this one, select the longest possible chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why this way? Because OH group is more senior as compared to that of a double bond. For 4 carbon atom, what will be the root word? But. Then this will be 3. In this case over here. Here again it was 3. But 3 in. So this is but. Just make a correction. 1, 2, 3. So but 3 in. 1 over here. But 1, 2, 3. But 3 in. And then 2 and then ol. At number 2 position, which group is present? Methyl. So name of this group will be given as 2-methyl and but 3 in 2-ol. So allylic alcohol can be classified into 1 degree allylic alcohol. It can be classified into 2 degree allylic alcohol. It can be classified into 3 degree allylic alcohol. I made the correction over here in the nomenclature. This is 1, 2, 3. At what position double bond is present? 3. So it will be but 3 in and 1-ol. So monohydric alcohol are classified as 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. They can be classified as allylic alcohol, and allylic alcohol can again be classified as 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Then monohydric alcohol can also be classified as a benzylic alcohol. How do we classify them as benzyl alcohol over here? Which is a benzyl group? C6H5 CH2 group over here. So this can be classified as benzyl alcohol. If you classify them, they can be classified as benzyl alcohol over here. Which group is the benzyl group? As we all know, this group is a benzyl group over here. C6H5 CH2-. The name of this group is a benzyl group. So they can be classified as benzyl alcohol. Again, this benzyl alcohol can be classified as 1 degree alcohol. This can be classified as 2 degree alcohol, and this can be classified as a 3 degree alcohol. Just see over here, 1 degree alcohol. If I make this structure, this will be C6H5 and CH2OH. Which group is this? Benzyl. And OH group is attached. It is attached on 1 degree carbon atom. So what is the nature of this? 1 degree. So this alcohol will be called as benzyl alcohol. Fine. Now, if it is attached to 2 degree over here, how do we make the structure? This over here will be CH and then OH, and then over here will be CH3 group. Which group is this? Benzyl group over here. But what is the nature of this carbon atom? It is 2 degree in nature. Fine. If we consider a 3 degree benzyl alcohol over here, so how will we make the structure? This will be COH and this will be CH3, and this again over here will be CH3. What is the nature of this carbon atom? This carbon atom over here will be a 3 degree carbon atom over here. So this is a 3 degree benzyl alcohol. This is 2 degree benzyl alcohol. This is 1 degree benzyl alcohol. Suppose we have to give the IUPAC name of this one. So how will we give? 1, 2, 3. For 3 carbon atom, what will be the root word? It will be prop. ene, and then 2-ol. At number 2, what is present? Phenyl group. So name of this group will be given as 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. So monohydric alcohol can be classified as 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Allylic and benzylic. Allylic alcohol can also be classified as 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Whereas benzylic alcohol can also be classified as 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. So remember or try to understand what are we trying to do with this group. The same type of structure we are developing over here as was done in haloalkanes and haloarenes. All the questions that can be framed on alcohol will be either on 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol, allylic which can be 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree, benzylic which can be 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. In all these cases, carbon OH bond, COH bond was sp3 hybridized. That means carbon atom to which OH group is attached was sp3 hybridized. Now another type of structure which we will come across in this chapter will be where this carbon atom will be sp2 hybridized. So now we will discuss the alcohols, monohydric alcohol in which the COH bond is sp2. So this is a sp2 hybridized. This over here is sp2 hybridized carbon atom to which OH group is attached over here. In this case over here, what will happen? Suppose let us take the example. The example of this will be vinyl alcohol. The example over here will be vinyl alcohol over here. So vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol will be written as CH2, double bond, CH and then OH. What is the nature of this carbon atom? This will be sp2. Fine. So what will be the name of this one? It is 1,2, which is the vinyl group. Vinyl group is CH2, double bond, CH dash. This group over here is called as a vinyl group over here. So the name of this group will be given as vinyl alcohol. What name is given to this one? It will be named as vinyl alcohol. Otherwise, 1,2. For 2 carbon atom, this will be it. This is double bonded ene, and 1-ol will be the name of this compound. So these alcohols are the vinyl alcohol. As for example, suppose if you consider this one. This is cyclohexene over here. This is cyclohexene. If you put OH group over here, this again is an example of a vinyl alcohol. So if we consider alcohols, what are alcohol? They are hydroxy derivative of alkenes. Now, they can be monohydric, they can be dihydric, or this can be a trihydric alcohol. As far as monohydric alcohols are concerned, this can be 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. They can be allylic or benzylic, or they can be vinylic alcohols. Now, next is phenols. So, in our next lecture, we will be discussing with you what are phenols and how do we give the name of phenols and the classification of phenols on the basis of their structure. One thing you must be assured of, whether it was haloalkanes or haloarenes or alcohol phenols, the type of structures on which the questions will be framed will be 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, allylic, benzylic, vinylic. As far as phenols are concerned, they will be nuclear substituted or cyclene substituted. Start doing the basics of this chapter, the study material of which will be uploaded in the portal, and please try to revise your work again and again.